Okay guys, so we just arrived to the mall and this is the Emirates Mall. Okay, there is skiing right there. Oh, I miss snow. I actually do miss snow. I know I'm gonna sound right from like the massive heat outside. I actually do miss snow. Zach, do you miss snow? Kind of. Yeah, right? I love snow. The sun or the snow? Snow? Me too. I know, it's too warm, right? Okay, we're gonna go eat first. And then we're gonna check out the skiing. Yeah, me too.
I like very hot.
Yeah, it's extremely hot, right? I agree.
I kind of want to look a little bit more because I'm smelling food and it smells good.
Okay. Okay, so Heidi got, I'm not sure what is it called.
Tortilla.
Tortilla. It's like chipotle. It looks good. Chicken. Looks so good. Zach got cheese pizza.
I wanted big.
You want a big cheese pizza?
Yeah.
But you're the only one who's gonna eat.
Yeah, I
And it's
know.
gonna have 6 days in it.
I eat big.
You eat big? Oh, I see. I don't know. I'm debating between this or McDonald's.
I'll get McDonald's.
You get McDonald's? Yeah.
We're doing it at Dunkin' Donuts.
Dunkin' Donuts? There's no food in Dunkin'
Like a
Donuts.
sandwich from there.
You mean Burger King?
Dunkin'.
Okay guys, so Hadil and I decided to get McDonald's and I got the mushroom signature burger. It's like,
I don't know.
Mushroom.
Should I try something different?
yeah, try something different.
Okay, fine.
You feel like chicken? I got this one, the mushroom beef. Do you feel like chicken or you feel like beef? I feel like beef.
So signature collection. Oh, we were paying with cash.
Yeah.
You can't
Okay guys, I know, we're so sorry. We don't want McDonald's anymore. I don't know. I'm hungry and I want something delicious. Like, what would you like to get? Maybe I'll go back to the burrito and get burrito. You too? Yeah? Okay.
See, it was mine, Heidi.
How was your pizza, Zach?
I told you they were gonna get it.
How was your pizza? Enjoy. Okay, so we end up getting a burrito. Is it yummy? Ah. And they got their food.
Bye.
I thought you guys are sitting there eating.
Yes.
Wow, what is this?
How'd they find us?
So this is the one that you made me taste 2 days ago?
A lot of stuff.
Wow, you guys got a lot of stuff.
Yeah, everybody eat.
Enjoy.
It's not Chipotle, it's called tortilla.
Wow, Zidane's burger is huge.
Nice.
Wow, look at Zach's pizza. Enjoy, Zach. Nice. Enjoy. Okay guys, so look at this. It's snowing in August in Dubai. This is so cool.
We're gonna
Absolutely
come
stunning.
Here. We're gonna come here. Actually, should we keep it a surprise?
No, say it.
Okay.
So in
We're-
December,
We're gonna come here. We're gonna get this hotel.
Yes.
And we're gonna ski.
yes,
So we
absolutely.
feel like we're still.
So we feel like we're still in Canada, right?
Yeah.
Awesome.
And in reality, outside it's gonna be hot.
Yeah, but that's so amazing. What do you think, Zach?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
It's amazing, right? Baby, what do you think about the snow idea?
Excellent idea.
It's so smart, right? Beautiful
Next
Dubai.
time we come, we're gonna go inside and sky.
Yes, for sure. We
Show off my
should.
skills.
Yeah. That's so awesome. Okay, so Zach just got a slushy. Is it blueberry slushy? And Coca-Cola.
Yeah.
Does it taste yummy?
I thought the Coca-Cola was gonna taste better, but it's actually good.
It tastes good, right? Awesome. So then, how's your slushy? Enjoy. Okay, so Heidi, are you going to get boba?
Yes.
And Hadil's going to get Dunkin' Dip? Dunkin' Donut. Oh my, Dunkin' Donut. Drink or donut? And I'm going to get a drink. A coffee.
Yep.
Okay guys, so we came to this grocery shopping, and this is what we're getting. This is a great choice, mangoes. We dropped it down.
Thank you, Mom.
Wow.
What?
My legs, Mama.
He's allowed to hug me too,
I know,
you
yeah,
know?
I know, yeah.
I love you.
My legs.
Okay, you guys had a good time?
No, it's not.
Yeah?
I had an amazing time. The mall was amazing, and I really liked it. It was very amazing.
Okay, that's good, Zidane.
It was amazing.
Please don't be silly.
Baby, come down. Come down.
Okay, so go in and buckle up, guys, please. Buckle up.